In our solar system, there have 8 planets: Mercury to Neptune, that, and then Pluto. Today we will discover all details of it. So let's go to the subject. Before I get into that, if you love our channel's video, please subscribe our channel and give a like. So let's go. The first of all, not anything. Our sun. There's a G-type yellow dwarf star at the center of our solar system, providing the heat and light essential for life on Earth. It's a massive sphere of hydrogen and helium gas, with temperature reaching 15 million degrees Celsius in its core, where nuclear fusion converts hydrogen into helium, releasing vast amounts of energy. The sun's immense gravity pulls the solar system together, with all planets, asteroids, and comets orbiting it, and its mass about 99.86% of the total mass of our solar system. Size about 109 times wider than Earth, with 1.3 million Earths able to fit inside it. Composition: primarily hydrogen about 72% and helium about 26%. Temperature reaches 15 million degrees Celsius in its core, while its surface is about 5500 degrees Celsius. How it works? Nuclear fusion. The extreme heat and pressure in the sun's core cause hydrogen atoms to fuse into helium, a process that releases tremendous energy in the form of light and heat. Layers. The sun has several layers, including the core radioactive zone, convective zone, photosphere, visible surface, and corona, outer atmosphere. Solar wind. The sun constantly emits a stream of particles from its outer layers, known as the solar wind. Importance to Earth: energy source. The sun's energy drives weather, ocean currents, and seasons and enables photosynthesis, which is the basis for life on Earth. Gravity. Its powerful gravity keeps planets, comets, and asteroids in their orbits, holding our solar system together. Then Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and fastest planet orbiting closest to the Sun, resulting in extreme temperature swings from scorching hot to freezing cold. It's a rocky planet with a created moon-like surface and no moons of its own. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet because its extreme thin atmosphere or exosphere cannot retain heat. Key facts: position: the closest planet to the Sun. Size: the smallest planet in the solar system, only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Orbit and rotation: it orbits the Sun extremely fast, completing a year in just 88 days. 88 Earth days. A day on Mercury from sunrise to sunset lasts about 176 Earth days. Surface: a solid rocky and heavily cratered surface, similar to the Moon, with large cliffs called scarps that formed as the planet cooled. Temperature: experiences dramatic temperature fluctuations from scorching hot during the day to freezing cold at night. Atmosphere: has a very thin exosphere that provides almost no heat retention. Gravity: has a relatively strong magnetic field for its size and temperature, a fact that scientists are still trying to understand. Moons: Mercury has no moons. Mercury, due to the planet's rapid speed as it dips around the Sun. Unique features: Calories Basin, one of the largest craters in the solar system, formed by a massive asteroid impact. Scarps, long, steep cliffs on the surface formed by the planet's crust cooling and shrinking frozen water. Water ice has been found in the permanently shadowed craters at its poles. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and Earth's closest neighbor, sometimes called the sister planet due to its similar size and structure. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, with a dense carbon dioxide rich atmosphere that creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat to reach temperatures high enough to melt lead. Venus has a unique slow retrograde rotation, meaning it spins in the opposite direction to most planets and it lacks moons. Key facts: Name: Venus. Type: terrestrial rocky planet. Size: roughly the same diameter as Earth with a similar mass. Position: the second planet from the Sun and Earth's closest planetary neighbor. Environment and atmosphere: surface temperature extremely hot, reaching around 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 480 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Atmosphere: a very thick atmosphere composed mainly of 96% carbon dioxide, which traps heat and causes a runaway greenhouse effect. Surface features: the surface, heightened by clouds of sulfuric acid, features volcanoes, mountains, and plains of cold lava. Pressure: the surface atmospheric pressure is about 90 times that of Earth. Orbit and rotation: Venus spins clockwise, retrograde in the opposite direction from most planets, making a single day on Venus longer than its year. Year: A Venusian year is about 225 Earth days. Day: A sidereal day on Venus is about 243 Earth days, making a day on Venus longer than a year. Notable facts: Brightness: It is the third brightest object in the sky after the Sun and the Moon. Moons: Venus has no moons. Magnetic field: It does not have a significant magnetic field like Earth. Characterized by liquid water on its surface, a vital oxygen-rich atmosphere, and a magnetic field, is 23.5 degree axial tilt rare seasons while its rotation causes day and night, and its one moon influences tides. Key facts: Position: the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. Age: formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago. Shape: an oblate spheroid, meaning is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Size: the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Surface and water composition: about 70 to 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, liquid water. It is the only planet in our solar system known to have large amounts of liquid water on its surface, which is essential for life. Land masses: the remaining land is divided into continents with diverse features like mountains, forests, and deserts. Atmosphere and life. Atmosphere: Earth has a protective atmosphere composed mainly of nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. Biosphere: The biosphere refers to the living part of Earth's surface, including the diverse array of plants, animals, and other organisms unique for life. The presence of liquid water, a suitable atmosphere, and stable temperatures make it the only known planet to support life, movement, and cycles. Orbit. The Earth orbits the Sun, a journey that takes about 365.25 days, 1 year. Rotation. It rotates on its axis, completing one rotation in about 24 hours, which causes day and night. Axis tilt. The planet's axis is tilted at approximately 2.23.5 degree, a factor that creates the different seasons. Internal structure. Layers. Earth has four main layers: the solid, super hot inner core, the liquid outer core, the thick, hot mantle molten rock, and the thin rocky outer crust where we live. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, a cold rocky desert world known as the Red Planet due to its iron-rich soil. It has a thin atmosphere, two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, and features like the solar system's tallest volcano, Olympus Mons. A Martian day is about 24.6 hours, and a year is nearly twice as long as Earth's. Humans have sent robotic missions to Mars and are continuing to explore it, finding evidence of frozen water and searching for signs of past or present life. Info. The terrestrial planet, like Earth, it is a rocky terrestrial planet with a core, mantle, and crust. Size and gravity. Mars is about half the diameter of Earth and has a surface gravity that is roughly a third of Earth's moon. It has two small, oddly shaped moons, Phobos and Deimos. Environment. Atmosphere. Mars has a very thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, which offers little protection from cosmic radiation. Temperature. It is a cold world with extreme temperatures, ranging from below minus 153 degrees Celsius to around 20 degrees Celsius. Water. While there are no large bodies of liquid water, Mars retains water in its atmosphere as ice, frost, and polar ice caps. Geological features. Mars has plains, canyons, and volcanoes, including the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Time and exploration. Day and year. A day on Mars is 24.6 hours long, and the Martian year is 687 Earth days long. Explorations. Mars is a heavily explored planet with many robotic missions, including orbiters and rovers, studying its surface and searching for signs of life. Human missions. While humans have not yet traveled to Mars, future missions with astronauts are being planned. So that's our today's video. If you love watching this video, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for part 2. Bye bye.